Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about gyroscope. You can learn gyroscope in 1 week. It's very easy. You just need some dedication and practice. At the end of the video I'll give you some tips to find your own gyroscope sensitivity. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. In this video I am going to talk about, number 1 basic knowledge about gyroscope. Number 2 spray, recoil control with gyroscope. Number 3, M416+6X spray with some tips and tricks. Number 4 sensitivity. Tips to find your own sensitivity. Gyroscope. What is gyroscope? Actually, gyroscope is a sensor in your mobile, which can automatically locate your screen orientation. If you turn on gyroscope you can aim by moving your phone. Gyroscope is really good for aiming and recoil control. Here you can see 2 options. Option always on is no as full gyroscope. Scope on is no as semi-gyroscope. Always on. You will notice something like this. You can use gyroscope for aiming too, like this. Let's use semi-gyroscope. It work only one scope in. And it's good for beginners, but I'll recommend full gyroscope to everyone. Number 2, spray with gyroscope. There are 2 types of gyroscope player. Semi-gyroscope player, high gyroscope player. How to control the recoil of any gun with gyroscope. It is very easy. You just need to push your device backward and downward like this. And also you can adjust your aim with gyroscope. Spray aim transfer with full gyroscope. I use full gyroscope, but you can use aim down sights plus gyroscope. It work really good. Number 3, M416+6X spray. There are 3 ways of spray. Stand, crouch and prone. If your target is 100 meter far, please do not stand and spray. It is most inaccurate spray. Instead of that you can crouch and shoot. It will reduce your recoil. Talking about the prone, it has the least recoil among all. One tip, please do not spray the target above 250 meter or more. It is not worthy for you guys to spray above 250 or more. It is a waste of ammo. Instead of this you can use tap method like this. If you guys have any questions about the grip, I'll not recommend any grip for you because everyone has their own choice. Different professional players use different grips according to their comfortability. Pubg use thumb grip. Athena use angle grip. Scout use half grip. While practicing, do not use any grip or muzzle because you will not get the grips every time in a match. So better to practice without grip. Finally, sensitivity. I can show you my sensitivity, but I'm still working on it. I'll recommend to find your own sensitivity. Please do not copy to other players. I know it is hard, but I'll give you one tip so it will be easier for you guys. It will take some time, but believe me, you will get best result after finding your own sensitivity. How can you set your own sensitivity? Every device have their own gyroscope sensitivity. So you have to set your sensitivity according to your device and you. At first, set all of the sensitivity to the maximum, 300. And try this in the training ground. To set the base it'll take around 1 hour, but it needs some days or weeks to find the ideal sensitivity to everyone. If you think it is too high, then try 200 or 100 or any according to your comfortability. Find your own ideal sensitivity in this way. You need to practice a lot for this, at least 30 minutes or more a day, and after a week you can find difference. I'll recommend you to practice 30 minutes every day to improve your performance. Every professional players like Scout, Mortal and others spend 1 or 2 hours in a training ground every day just for practice. If there's any problem to set your own gyroscope sensitivity, start with low gyroscope sensitivity, and after some time use my method. If you think this video has some useful information, please like this video and share with your friends. And subscribe to my channel. Thank you. You will not close your gyroscope after turning on. Please do not close it, believe me, it'll be fruitful to you. Remember, never give up. Try it for 3 days, you will start to notice that you are getting used to it.
So now I gotta say goodbye.